Hey everyone, have you ever noticed flickering lights or heard strange noises coming from your switches? It could mean your home has a loose connection, and that's something you don't want to ignore. But don't worry, I will explain how you can figure it out. No electrical expertise is needed. Let's talk about some common signs that your home might have a loose connection. The first sign, flickering lights. If your lights randomly flicker or dim when you switch on appliances, that's often a red flag. Loose wiring can cause inconsistent power flow, and flickering is usually one of the first things you'll notice. Second sign, weird sounds. Ever heard a buzzing or crackling sound when you're near a switch or an outlet? That's not normal. A loose wire can create these noises, and it's a clear sign something's off. Third sign, warm outlets. Now, this one is a bit sneaky. Go ahead and feel the outlets or switches in your home. If any of them feel warm or hot to the touch, that's a possible sign of a loose connection, causing heat to build up. Fourth sign, sparks or smoke. This is a serious one. If you ever see sparks or smoke coming from an outlet or a switch, stop using it immediately. It could mean there's a loose connection that's getting dangerous. Finally, sign, appliances losing power. Ever had an appliance just randomly turn off? It might be because of a loose connection cutting off the power. So, if you spot any of these signs, it's time to get a professional to take a look. Loose connections can lead to bigger problems, like electrical fires, and you don't want to mess with that. That's it for today. Stay safe, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on home electrical safety.